What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And if you haven't seen the news yet, it's positive. The UAW is celebrating a win. They're celebrating that Stellantis is keeping their promise. Yeah, they're saying that, Trump had a conversation with John Elkann, which we know happened, and that they are reopening Belvidere and keeping the Dodge Durango here. That is all positive news, if you ask me. I couldn't say that it was bad news, but it does have some caveats. Let's talk about it. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. I am down here in beautiful Oxford, Mississippi right now, and got to link up with some friends, and now I am rolling back to the frozen north before heading west. Should be fun. I will be, stopping in some places along the way. We'll be hitting Kansas and a couple other places, but I always love coming out here and seeing Ole Miss, man. It's just something about it, man. The food, everything here is just amazing. Maybe I'm biased. Anyways, so yeah, we talked about this yesterday. Elkann did meet with Trump over 4 days. The last day, several hours of conversations with the now president. He was the incoming president. Sorry if my radio goes off while we're talking. Anyways, so yeah, talking with the incoming president, and they were able to secure that they are going to keep the commitment. They are reopening Belvidere, but it's not going to be what people think. People think Belvidere is going to open, and they're going to be making this new Cherokee and some of these electric vehicles. Nope. They're moving production from Mexico. They're moving some of the, like I said, I've been reporting on this for months. They're going to move that production from Mexico to the United States. We've known this since the election, right? Trump said it was going to be a thing that he was going to push for and do, and well, he did it. So he's moved this production, or he's going to move this production of the 2500 Ram back to the United States. Now, I think that could go to Warren really right away. I don't know how much retooling they would need to do to make it happen, but I do feel like it is a strong possibility that the 2500 would go to Warren. Maybe the 3500 goes to Belvidere. Maybe the, whatever they want to call that thing, the Hornet or something else goes to Belvidere. Maybe the Cherokee. I'm not sure. I know that Durango is staying in the United States and isn't going to Canada or Mexico, according to this new agreement. So there are some positives here. But to see Shawn Fain celebrating like he did something is rather hilarious. And it's funny because I just saw it. Butter the Insider just sent me a thing where he posted a "we won" type of thing to the UAW membership. And if you're a member of the UAW and you believe for 1 second that Shawn Fain had anything to do with any of that, you're retarded. I'm sorry, you are dumb. Shawn Fain had nothing to do with that. And in fact, the quicker your membership gets him out, votes him out, and puts somebody in that has some damn competence, and somebody that can actually work with the current president, the better your lives, your contracts, and your union will be moving forward. Just saying. But anyways, that's just my opinion. You don't have to agree with it. It's interesting to see what happens. Belvidere reopening, production coming back to the United States. It's funny. I could have swore, wasn't Shawn Fain the guy at the Democratic National Convention that was saying that none of this was going to happen? Remember that? remember, none of this was going to happen if this guy was president. Yet, this guy is president, and he's doing what he said he was going to do. Interesting. Funny how that works. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Not a long video, just wanted to give you the news about what I saw. This information from the UAW and the fact that Belvidere is officially opening this year. And some of the other production stuff that's moving to the U.S. and stuff that's no longer leaving the U.S. like the Durango. So we'll see. It does explain a lot as to why John Elkann wanted to leave or left and did not stay for the inauguration. Evidently, those negotiations didn't make him too happy. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And as always, stay petty, my friends.